Hello Scorpios, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you right now and what's going on. And as these are general messages, general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. There are too many. Okay, so let's see what are the messages for Scorpios. What are the messages for Scorpios? So we have the King of Cups, the Ten of Wands, the Four of Pentacles, the Lovers, the Nine of Swords, the Moon, the Knight of Wands, the Strength, and the Page of Pentacles, followed by the Fool. So Scorpios, the King of Cups, the Ten of Wands, and the Four of Pentacles. So what I feel here is there is something which is either you are holding on to something or you are not sharing it with someone. Okay. You are trying to be emotionally mature and emotionally stable in a situation, and you are trying to see. What I feel here is that you are thinking that if you don't talk about it and you keep it to yourself, then that would be the solution to a certain problem. That's what there is something here which you want to unburden from. Okay, this is something here which you really feel burdened, and you really want to unburden yourself from that, and you are trying to behave in a very mature, emotionally mature way, trying to keep it to yourself, not showing your emotions, not talking about it, because you think that is the right way to deal with a particular situation here. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and it seems to be regarding a partnership, a friendship, or a relationship, or it can be just a choice. So, but somehow what I feel is it seems to be we have the Nine of Swords and the Moon there. There is some sort of an uncertainty here. There is something, some issue which needs to be dealt with, which needs to be communicated, which needs to be talked about, but you feel that pushing it under the rug is the right way to deal with it. That's what maybe that is what you feel. Maybe you feel that if you talk about it, it may flare up. It can be that you feel that it may not be a wise step to talk about it. I don't know. Whatever the reason is, whatever the situation here is, maybe you don't know what will be the outcome. That is why you are trying to keep quiet. Maybe that is what you feel. So whatever the situation is, there is something which you want to unburden from, but you are not doing it because you are thinking that being emotionally, you feel you're trying to be a big brother in this, or you're trying to be emotionally mature, you're trying to keep it to yourself, you're not talking about it, and though it's bothering you, you are, but still it is something which you're not talking about, and that is what is creating more and more anxiety in you. That's what I feel. It's building up your anxiety because you're not talking about it, you're not sharing it with others, or you're not talking to the person concerned here. Okay, and you feel that this is a wiser and a mature decision to keep it to yourself, not talk about it. Why unnecessarily deal with it? Why unnecessarily poke this topic for whatever reason there you may be having? Okay, that's what I feel. And then we have the Knight of Wands, the Strength, the Page of Pentacles, and the Fool. See, what I feel here is that whatever it is which you are keeping to yourself and which is bothering you, and you think that is the right way to deal with the situation, but the thing is that you have a lot of passion also. There is something which is taking up your passion, and you really want to a new beginnings in some way. Somehow what I am getting here is that maybe you are walking away from whatever the situation is. It's like quick exit from the situation somehow. That's what I'm getting. Even though it's requiring a lot of strength on your part, but somehow you feel that you won't be able to deal with it, and you quit, and it's a fast exit for a new beginning. Okay, that's what I feel. It may be a small step for a new beginning, but then you feel that is the wise. There is no point in talking in this aspect, and it's better for me to move out and have a new beginning for myself, no matter how much risk I need to take, maybe no matter how much strength I may require, no matter how I may have to start from a zero, but still you feel that is the right thing. That's what I'm getting. It may be, I don't know, it's your choice. Again, 10 of 10 of 10 of clubs here. So again, that is, you are feeling really overburdened here. You're really feeling overburdened. You're not able to bear it anymore. Things are really piling up on you. You're not able to deal with this situation. You feel there is no point in talking. Maybe that is why you're not talking about it. You're not addressing the issue, and you just make a quick exit out of it. And you feel, okay, there is no point. I cannot even breathe in this situation. It's better for me to get out of it. And have a new beginning. No matter, okay, I'll start from a zero. Okay, it takes whatever it is, you are ready to deal with it. Simple. Healer of emotion. This is the time to follow your heart and feel the fullness of your emotions. You may feel so compelled to nurture others that you forget to take care of yourself. Flashes of intuition you provide you with incredible insights. You or the another person is a kind-hearted, loving and a trustworthy friend. So that is the guidance from the angels. So Scorpios, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.